channel Learn SQL with Shahid. In last class we have discussed about Windows authentication and SQL authentication and difference between that, and I have stopped till fixed server roles, that is BD to the power 2 P S to the power 4. Okay, so what is that means? Like, it is fixed server role formula. I had to mug up this. So if I go to security logins, here if I select any property users, okay, if you see in server roles, these are the fixed server roles. Okay, we have bulk admin, DB creator, disk admin, process admin, security admin, server admin, setup admin, and sysadmin. Okay, so I will be discussing from order. Okay, what is bulk admin, disk DB creator, disk admin, process admin. So let us start. Now first one is bulk admin. Here I will be creating one user. Okay, right click, new login. I will create Ramesh. Okay, again if I have to select with SQL authentication. So Windows authentication means logging to the server or Windows to the laptop. Will be having before username the computer name. In SQL authentication, we can skip the Windows server login and we can create directly as SQL authentication. Okay, so I'm creating login. Okay, in enforce password policy, I'm unchecking this. Password doesn't know it. Okay. Now the Ramesh user has been created. What I will do is I will give Ramesh user bulk admin permissions now. If I go to server roles, now I have given Ramesh as bulk admin, and bulk admin means Ramesh is the developer, and Ramesh can insert bulk records. Okay, he can do and perform bulk operations. So we will give permission to a developer, because developer will be inserting lakhs of records. Okay, million and billions of records. So how they will do means I will be showing you. Just now our task is to give that bulk admin permission to Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh is the developer. It is a fixed server role. So now how they will insert? Now Ramesh should connect. Okay, I will disconnect from here. I will connect with Ramesh user SQL authentication. Here Ramesh. Ramesh, I have to give password. So Ramesh has now connected to SQL Server. So there is no new database. Ramesh cannot create new database because he doesn't have any DB creator. Okay. Next is that only. So I will be creating with my user only, Windows authentication user. So what I will be doing here. I have to create one new database. Right click, new database. I am creating database DB1. Clicking OK. One more thing we had to do, had to give Ramesh, we had to map Ramesh with DB owner, or else he can't do bulk insert. I will be discussing that. You don't worry about this. User mapping. See that database level permission. Okay, what I have given, that is instance level permission, but you don't worry about this. I will be discussing. You ignore this. Okay, for now. So now I have created DB1. Okay, so I will be creating one new table. Okay, table yes number. Yes, name I will be creating. Okay. So this should be in integers, int. Okay. Now table underscore one has been created. So I will be logging off from this. And Ramesh has been connected. So right click new query. Here I have that bulk insert query. Had to go to db1, okay. Use or else you can type use db1. Go, okay. The now also will be entered. Now also will be entered to the db1, okay. So I will be creating in C path CSV folder. I will be creating table.csv. Okay, same file, same name I will be giving. I created already this table. Okay, in that we have only that column names. Okay, if I rightly refresh here, table has not been created. Fresh. Windows authentication connect. Okay, here I have created already tables. Okay, he actually what is the thing is he can't view that table. Okay, so he has only bulk admission permission. Okay, so that's the reason he is not able to view the table name. He can do with command. So what I will be doing here, I have to go to notepad. Okay, I'll take notepad. Then S number I will give as 1. S name I will be giving as ONE1. Okay. So same thing I will be entering 4 records. Why this thing and all they will do means we has to enter means they have to insert millions and billions of records. For the demo purpose I am inserting only 4 records. I will save this file, okay, in a CSV folder. I will say as table.csv. Means CSV means comma separated value, where actually this one have this is old I am deleting. Comma separated value means I have given in notepad, right, 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 3 comma 3 4 comma 4 like that. So it will separate into rows into column, like commas will be separated with lines. Okay, here lines, if I give comma means in between one line it will form means actually it will be formatted to rows into column. Now this is ready. Okay, this table.csv is ready. This bulk insert db dot this is also ready. I am running this command. Okay, I will do one thing. I will change the path and I will execute this command. Okay, I will change it to data because it can't open up that folder. Okay, so that's the reason it is failing. Right click, I will cut. Okay, I will go to data and paste it here. Oh, because actually what the thing is here, this file is opened. Because of that, it is not able to open again in this command. Now I think it will work. CSV. Mm, Ramesh might have the DB owner permission. I will check. Okay, once again. Without DB owner permission, he can't do. I will check once again. Security logins. If I double click here, Actually, user mapping, okay, he doesn't have DB. Okay, fine. Now he can able to. Now this developer Ramesh has inserted 4 records. Okay, in real time he'll be inserting 1 million or billions of records into the table. So for the demo purpose, we have to understand I have did this thing. So if you see, if you go to that database, if you click on table, okay, right click, then if you select row here, you will see 1 2 3 4 5, it has been inserted from that CSV file, okay. DB owner have given. Now Ramesh also able to visible. Ramesh also can do, means he is also able to view the database and table also here. Table he can view. At that time I missed to give that permission. If he has DB owner only, he can insert that bulk insert, okay. DB or else other permission also, data writer also, if that is sufficient. For now you can understand the DB owner also, he has a writer and reader, everything he can perform in database, okay. He can do whatever he want. So I hope you might have understood this bulk insert, okay. Bulk insert means nothing but if you go to the security, if you go to this login, you have to right click properties and then you have to give this server roles permission as a bulk admin. You have to add okay, add a member to bulk admin for Ramesh user. So now second is the DB creator, okay. DB creator means mm, one more thing as I shown you, like if you go to this SP underscore SRV role PR server role permission. You can see here what and all the permission this bulk admin has. See, like if you go to this, we can filter this. Then you will get only bulk admin. Bulk admin can add a member. You can add other member to bulk admin. Okay. So and I can give bulk insert permission as I given to permission to Ramesh right here. You can give to Suresh if there is any Suresh user bulk admin permission. Okay. That is the meaning of this add member to bulk admin, and have given I can perform bulk insert like as I did, okay. So now is a DB creator. DB creator, what and all he can do. If I go here DB creator, see he can add the member to DB creator, okay. I will remove, okay. Here if I go to login, I will create one more new login, okay. I will create Ranbir S authentication. I have created Ranbir, okay. So what I will do is I will log out Ramesh account because he did already bulk admin operation. So this is the second example for Ranbir for DB to create means to add the member of DB creator. I am adding now to DB creator. If I go to properties, server roles, I am adding him into DB creator. Sysadmin can do everything because I am the sysadmin. Now I am disconnecting and connecting with the SA Ranbir. Give the password here. It is prompting. I have unchecked that box, so means I have not unchecked that box. like password expire policy. And on next login, user must change the password. So I have to uncheck that. Now I have to give new password. Yeah. Now Ranbir is connected and he has a DB creator. What and all Ranbir can do? Like he can create a new database. Okay, DB2 I am creating. Ranbir is creating DB2 database. Okay, he has created. Okay. Also, now he has created the DB2 because he is the owner of the database. If I go to properties, uh, here option here in general properties, if I see here in option also, like he is the owner. Ranbir is the owner. If you see here, Ranbir is the owner. So he can do anything, okay? For DB2 database. Actually, this owner is created by another user. Shahid has created with Windows authentication. So he can change the properties of this DB1. If we have to check that alter database is there here, no? That is the thing I am going to explain. So if I click on properties, see here, I can't open it also. So like GUI, I can't do it. Through commands I can take with new query and this master. Then I have to alter database. This is the proof, guys. Like I can't touch the database also. So I have to go to master and I have to alter database DB1 because DB2 is created by Runway, DB1 is created by another user. I have to change okay the recovery model. What is the recovery model? I will check in DB2 because model has what properties. I have to check that. Same properties will be copied to this user defined database because model acts as a template for new user databases. Okay, so it is in simple. DB1 also will be in simple recovery model. So you'll be changing simple to fill. Okay, set recovery full. Yeah, command has executed successfully. So we can change the properties, okay, properties of other database as well. Except means apart from this DB2, other DB2 what I have created with Ranbir user, other database also we can create, we can alter that. Okay, so also we can delete, drop, and we can restore everything we can do if we. Here as we discussed in DB creator. Uh, we can add a member to DB creator, alter database, create database, drop database, and extend database. Extend means it is very old, but we can extend the size of the file. Okay, uh, and restore database like we can take backup. So and whatever the backup is available, so we can restore them. Okay, and we can restore log and also we can rename the database. So we can do these things and all. So one more thing, guys, I want to explain. Like we have discussed bulk admin, right? Bulk admin does not impact much. Okay, whatever it is, they will do bulk transaction. Developer will insert bulk records like 1 million billion. There will be no impact. But in DB creator, there is a problem. Okay, if you give this DB creator, they can whoever the user is using this instance and playing with database, he can drop the database as well. You have to be careful, and this is dangerous login also, the DB creator, because he can drop the database. Here drop it is there, no? So that's the thing I had to keep in mind. And next is disk admin. So disk admin is nothing but some everyone will be having confusion. Disk admin means they will be means they will be managing disk. Okay, so here we don't we don't manage any disk, and we don't give any permission to manage disk. Okay, so name itself it will tells us like disk admin means managing disk. Okay, so here what this actually means is I am giving disk admin permission to Ranbir. Okay, so I'll be clicking okay. I have to give this much. Okay, and Ranbir will connect now. Okay, to database engine. So he is connecting with SQL authentication now. I am here. So now I am connecting with his login. So Ranbir has disk admin condition. So what he can do means he can just create this backup devices. Backup devices means we will be taking backup, full backup, log backup, and differential backup. We have backup types, and I will be discussing in my further classes. So we have backups. We directly taking to the path. I had to go to that server objects. Here backup device it is there. No, here we have already test backup. I will be creating new backup device. Okay, so backup device backup device 2 I can give name. Okay, so simply if you click OK, then a backup device is created. When taking the backup, ignore this. I will be explaining this whenever the backup topic comes. So what he can do is he can Ranbir can right click and take full backup. Okay, full backup or log backup, any kind of backup. So right click again, task, here backup. So test backup they have took, and also I can remove this. Okay, whatever the recent I have created, you can select here in drop down and click on this backup device too. Okay, and you can take backup like this. Okay, if you open this property, it is also located in this path only. Okay, so instead of giving this path directly, if we give this backup device, then it will be easy. But nowadays no one will use this. Ignore this. Okay, this option just I wanted to let you know. Like everything, what is that fixed server role? I have to let you know, guys. No, that's the reason I am discussing this. Here will be getting clear. Backup command, backup device to the backup device to. Okay, so no need to give like C program files, Microsoft SQL Server slash backup like that and all. We no need to give path, so we directly we can take to backup device. So if you see here, I will give disk admin. Okay, disk admin. So this and all permission as I discussed. Okay, we can provide to the user Ranbir. And now we'll be discussing about this is also not much important. Next is very important, which I'm going to discuss, that is process admin. So process admin means here we have this user Shahid, right? User Shahid is 52. Okay, he's running some command. Okay, here sp underscore server role permission disk admin. Okay, so also if user Shahid has is selecting some, okay, some data of table 2, table is not there in db2, so I will be selecting db1 table. If I select top 100,000 rows, so we have data here, right? Also here we have speed. Okay, if I give permission to Ranbir for process admin, what he can do means he can kill the session of mine here. I have connected to this uh, instance with my login as Windows login. Okay, so here in security logins, right click properties. I will remove this disk admin and will give process admin to Ranbir. What he can do means he can right click. Okay, can right click new query. You can select sp underscore who to. Here we have SPIDs, right? SPID. So whatever we have like below 50, it is for system. Some of there like 51, 52 something is there, like before it was 50, now they have extended some speed for internal purpose, for system purpose. So like above 50 you can say it is the user session. So we can clearly see here 59 session is by Shahid. Okay, so what Ranbir can do, I have connected with Ranbir. I can kill this session, okay, of Shahid. 59, kill 59. So command got completed, that session got killed. Okay, 59 session is got killed. So you can't see now 59 session. So this is why this is also very important. Before giving, you have to ask why we have. They are asking for. You have to ask for justification. Then you can provide. This is also one dangerous comment. So yeah, that's it, guys. And I will be next discussing about security admins. Security admins means uh, here you have that command SPI underscore SRV role is there, no? If I go here, security admin. So this and all security admin can give the permissions. Okay, add a member to security admin, and also security admin can grant the permission, okay, to create any database and all, to read the error log and all. He himself cannot add, okay, and he can't give another people's, okay, this permission all, but he can add, that's it. Okay, he can add other users this permission and all. So yeah, that's it, guys. I will be discussing in depth about this. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Let us discuss in my next class. Thank you. Bye. Take care.